The first-generation Audi 100, which debuted on the market in 1968, marked a new stage in Germany's automotive industry. The Audi 200 was essentially a more upscale version of the Audi 100, featuring enhanced trim and a richer standard package. In 1970, the model was also available in a coupe body style. In 1973, a facelift was introduced. The front grille became more compact, the rear torsion bar was replaced with steel springs, and the shape of the rear lights was updated. As a result, the car looked more modern and stylish. The first-generation model was equipped with 4-cylinder engines, rear-wheel drive, and a manual transmission. Production of the second-generation Audi 100 began in 1976. This model featured an extended wheelbase, an improved interior design, and a 5-cylinder engine. As part of this generation, a station wagon variant was introduced in 1977. During the 1980 facelift, the exterior was refreshed, the shape of the taillights was modified, the trunk capacity was increased, and the interior was upgraded. The engine lineup was expanded to include various 4-cylinder engines with different displacements and power outputs. In 1981, the CS version was added, featuring a front spoiler and alloy wheels. At the 1982 Frankfurt Auto Show, the third-generation Audi 100 was unveiled, featuring an exceptionally low drag coefficient for its time. This innovation significantly improved fuel efficiency. Another advancement was the introduction of flush-mounted windows, further enhancing aerodynamics. Starting in 1984, models were equipped with the Quattro all-wheel drive system. In 1985, the first versions of the Audi 100 with a fully galvanized body appeared. The final version of the Audi 100, the fourth-generation model, premiered at the end of 1990. It was a heavily revised version of the previous model, with key updates including the introduction of 2.6-liter and 2.8-liter engines. Production of the Audi 100 continued until 1997. After a facelift in 1994, the model was rebranded as the Audi A6. The first-generation Audi A6, introduced in 1994, brought several design changes, including updated mirrors, headlights, taillights, and bumpers. Minor interior revisions were also made. The engine options were expanded, offering a variety of gasoline engines, including turbocharged versions as well as 4, 5, 6, and 8-cylinder configurations. Additionally, a range of diesel engines was available. The model received significant improvements in corrosion protection. Compared to the Audi 100, rust affected a smaller area and progressed less aggressively on the new A6 models. Steering column and firewall rigidity were enhanced to improve airbag efficiency in a collision. The second-generation Audi A6, introduced in 1997, came in two body styles: sedan and station wagon, Avant. Both featured a low drag coefficient, a fully galvanized body, an extended suite of safety systems, and a broad engine lineup. Engine options range from 1.8 liters to 3.0 liters gasoline units, along with two turbo diesel options, 1.9 liters and 2.5 liters. The first facelift of the second generation occurred in 1999, strengthening the body structure, reshaping the headlights and mirrors, and improving dashboard ergonomics. That same year, the off-road ready Audi Allroad Quattro was introduced. In 2001, a second facelift was carried out, modernizing the lighting elements, turn signals, and interior trim. The third-generation Audi A6 debuted in 2004 with two body styles, a 4-door sedan and a 5-door station wagon. In 2005, the lineup was expanded to include a sports coupe and the S-Line version. In 2009, the model received an update featuring redesigned bumpers, a revised grille, updated side panels, new mirrors, and modernized lighting. Thanks to powertrain improvements, fuel consumption was reduced by 15% and emissions were lowered. The fourth-generation Audi A6, released in 2011, was available as a sedan or station wagon with either front wheel or all-wheel drive. The engine lineup included two gasoline engines, 2.8-liter and a turbocharged 3.0-liter, and two diesel options. Several modifications based on the A6 were introduced in 2012. The all-wheel drive Audi A6 Quattro, the high-performance Audi S6, the extended wheelbase Audi A6L for the Chinese market, the Audi A6 Hybrid, featuring a gasoline engine paired with an electric motor. The car closely resembled the Audi A8, with design cues borrowed from the Audi A7 Sportback. The fifth-generation Audi A6 was unveiled at the 2018 Geneva Auto Show. In Eastern Europe, official sales began in November. While the exterior didn't undergo drastic changes compared to the previous model, the new Audi A6 featured outstanding performance, efficiency, stylish design, and cutting-edge technology. The lighting system included matrix LED headlights for enhanced visibility. Inside, an advanced ambient lighting system with 30 color options created a unique atmosphere. The vehicle was equipped with two touchscreens for controlling various functions. In Eastern Europe, the new Audi A6 was offered with two engine options: a 340 horsepower V650 TFS E-Quattro gasoline engine, a 245 horsepower inline 445 TFS I-Quattro gasoline engine. To enhance driving comfort, engineers integrated the Servotronic system, which adjusts steering effort based on speed. An optional rear-wheel steering system with a turning angle of up to 5 degrees, improved maneuverability, made parking easier, and increased high-speed stability.